Welcome to Your Friend the Cook's Funhouse, featuring family favorite meals by SJ. It's SJ's Funhouse. Hey friends, welcome back to SJ's Funhouse. If you're still ordering lo mein from takeout, I'm about to change that. Today, we're making beef lo mein that's packed with flavor, loaded with veggies, and comes together right at home. No shortcuts and no bland noodles over here. This is one of those dishes that looks like it takes a lot, but once you get it down, it's quick, simple, and always hits. Everything you need is right here. So, let's get into it. Here is a first look at our ingredients. Lots of greenery, lots of fresh veggies. We're going to start by mixing our dark soy sauce and our light soy sauce with the cornstarch. You're going to mix it in a little at a time, making sure that it doesn't clump up in the mixture. Once the sauce is smooth, then we'll add the rest. The Shaoxing wine, the sesame oil, the oyster sauce, sugar, white pepper, and just give it all a good mix until it is smooth. Now let's set that aside and prepare our beef. Take about 3 tablespoons of the sauce and massage it into your beef. I'm pouring 2 here, but I added an additional 1 off camera. You're just going to mix it all up until it's all incorporated throughout. Heat your wok and add some oil. I used about 3 tablespoons. And then add your beef. Sear it just until it starts to brown. Don't cook it all the way through. Add the garlic, the onions, and we're going to mix that all together. And while that cooks down a bit, we're going to boil some water and prepare our lo mein noodles. Boil your lo mein noodles for 3 to 4 minutes and then drain them. I did this off camera. Now that that's cooked down a little bit, we're going to add the rest of our veggies, our green peppers, our red peppers, cabbage, and our fresh ginger. Now add the carrots and mix everything up. I'm going to put a lid on this and let this stir fry for about 5 minutes while everything softens a bit. And here we are. Our veggies are still bright. Our beef is tender. We're going to give this a little stir. And then we're going to add our drained lo mein noodles straight into the wok. And now toss everything together. Add a little water. And then pour in your sauce. Finish it off with fresh scallions. Toss everything together until it's fully coated and glossy. Plate it up, and that's it. Voila! Beef lo mein, simple, flavorful, and done right. Time for our taste test. Let's top it off with some garnish. And here we go. Look at these noodles. It smells amazing and tastes even better. Delicious. This one is mine. This is SJ's Funhouse at the Flavor House. Follow for more because we are not done yet. It's SJ's Funhouse. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.